Good morning, friends. We are going to be doing our August budget. So, if you're new here, I have moved to Ireland, so I need to keep myself in check. So, we are going on to the Notion website, and I'm just going to make myself a little simple budget. Here I am fumbling, trying to find where I found the budget last time, and I gave up and I just typed it in the search option. So, I don't know who designed this template, but you will see it's very much not realistic. Their monthly budget is $3,500, which isn't that unrealistic, but $55 for groceries. I don't know who's spending that, but it's obviously somebody who's not buying their own food. So we're just going to go in here and change that to a more reasonable number. I'm doing 120. I live like 3 minutes away from an Aldi, so I spend about $30 ish a week. And I am doing just kind of like rounding with conversion rates too, from euros to dollars. Books, I have an Audible subscription, but I don't really use it, but I'm adding it anyways. Dinners and takeaways, I don't really foresee myself eating out a ton, so I'm just gonna give myself like 50 bucks. I know if I go and sit down somewhere, it's gonna be like around 20 euro, but takeaway could potentially be a little bit cheaper. I don't know. I'm one person. Movies, I still need to go see the Barbie movie, so I'm giving myself $15 for that. Lunch with dad, that ain't happening. So we're just gonna delete that out of our lives. Um, but yeah, I feel like this template is very easy to just kind of navigate. You can add things, you can delete things, you can just customize it to whatever you're looking for. So, rent is the biggest expense I have. I put 1330. I technically pay 300 euro a week, but obviously with the conversion rate, it's a little more expensive. So I'm just putting in transportation as well because I almost forgot that. But I will be buying a Leap card here. That's good for like the DART, which is the train, the buses, trams, all that fun stuff. So one card for everything. Added my US bills, which are usually like Spotify, Amazon Prime, my stupid dental bill. And we just added a checklist, deleted the other columns, and we're cutting it close with our 1800.